is where you zip it, all right? The adult is talking. What if somebody had died tonight? Different story, right? Because that's on you. And if you died, I feel like that's on you.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go, sir. Please. Please, I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя. Горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра.
You will not believe what's been going on. Do you remember when we were in space? And I got all dusty? And I must have passed out because I woke up and you were gone. But Dr. Strange was there, right? He was like, it's been 5 years, come on, they need us. And then he started doing the yellow sparkly thing that he does all the time. Wait.